NVIDIA Shadowplay screen recorder. No login. No GeForce Experience. No NVIDIA app. No OBS. No NVENC.dll. No Bandicam. No FPS drop. No internet. Fully optimized for low-end hardware. System requirements. Minimum, GTX 960. Maximum, RTX 4090. Disclaimer, untested on all RTX 50 cards. Please let me know if it works on RTX 50 cards. You must download the last ever GeForce Experience. Since the official link has been taken down, personally, I will download from a reputable mirror, like MajorGeek.com. I will put the link in description below. And then, download a modified GeForce Experience from GitHub, which strips down everything, except Shadowplay screen recorder itself. The mod file is called ExperienceLess. Click this link, under the Releases section. Download ExperienceLess.Zip. Install GeForce Experience like normal. Run as administrator. Don't run it afterwards. No need to quit it from taskbar if it is running in background. No need to quit it from taskbar if it is running in background. Let's follow the GitHub tutorial. Open Task Manager and kill NVIDIA Web Helper.exe. Now, go to Services and stop NvContainerLocalSystem. Now, go to this folder and then delete the folder, which is NvNode. Now, go to this folder and then delete all the files within this folder. Now, extract that ExperienceLess.Zip. Copy the file, NVIDIA Share.exe, and paste into NVIDIA GeForce Experience folder. Now, go to Task Manager again and start the service, NvContainerLocalSystem. Now, copy the rest of the files and paste into the NVIDIA GeForce Experience folder. Lastly, you can pin the file, ExperienceLess.exe, to the Start menu. And then, don't forget to run it as administrator every time you need to capture the screen. As you can see, I'm now recording the screen, using only Shadowplay. No GeForce Experience, no NVIDIA app, no OBS, no Bandicam. No specialized encoder like NvENC.dll. Keep in mind that turn on desktop capture means you are recording the entire desktop, including some watermark and icons. Turn off desktop capture means you are recording a full-screen app, like video games, etc. The option that is currently active is marked gray. Final reminder. Whenever you update your graphics driver, you might need to redo this walkthrough again. Starting from step 1 again. Thank you for watching. Now you can record the screen without OBS, NVIDIA app, or any performance loss.